In today's video, I'm going to teach you to reverse audio in CapCut. By the end, you'll have a clean reversed audio file ready to use anywhere without the video attached. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Import the video that contains the audio you want to reverse. This could be a clip you recorded yourself or one you've already edited. Once it's on the timeline, make sure the clip is selected so you can see all the editing options for it. Next, apply the reverse effect. With the clip highlighted, look for the reverse control and tap it. CapCut will process the clip and flip the audio backward along its timeline. The time this takes depends on the length of your video, so be patient if the clip is long. When it's done, press play to preview and confirm the audio now plays in reverse. If you don't hear anything, double check your device volume and make sure the clip is still selected and visible on the timeline. Now that the audio is reversed, extract it from the video. Use the extract audio option to separate the sound from the clip. This places the audio on its own track underneath the video in the timeline while keeping the reverse effect you just applied. You should see a distinct audio waveform appear. Play it again to confirm it sounds the way you expect. With the audio extracted, remove the video so only the reversed audio remains. Select the video clip on the timeline and delete it. Don't worry, this won't remove the extracted audio track. You should now see only the audio track on your timeline. If you notice a bit of silence at the beginning or end, you can trim the edges to tighten it up before exporting. Finally, export the extracted audio. Tap Export, then choose an audio-only option such as MP3 or WAV, depending on your needs. Give the file a clear name so you can find it later, choose your desired quality settings, and start the export. When the render finishes, your reversed audio will be saved as a standalone file, ready to drop into other projects, share with collaborators, or use as a sound effect. That's the full process. Import your video, reverse it, extract the audio, delete the video, and export the reversed audio. Keep an original copy of your source clip if you want to try different variations later. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating with your newly reversed audio in CapCut.